Okay, more on directions. So if I'm giving directions outside of the building, it's going to be someplace far, I'm going to use real world orientation. So I'm going to tell you when the building I leave, it's that direction, I'm going to actually point in the direction. So there's a little less involved detail-wise for the sake of this unit. When we get further in ASL 2, we give more specific directions. But for ASL 1, it's general orientation, real world orientation, and pointing to where you're headed. If I am giving you directions on another floor, I'm going to use a lot of referencing, meaning I'm going to say the second floor, and then I can give directions from where you leave the elevator or stairs, or I can give you a reference point that from there. Second floor, you know where the water fountain is? It's close to that. Now, on my same floor, we can get into actual layouts a little bit and giving specific directions. I hope you guys can see that okay. There's a weird glare on my board. I think you can see it. So, I have my front door, a classroom, my elevator, bathroom, the cafeteria, or the food room. This would be a hall, the hallway. Assume we're all standing together as we give directions. Yes, signer's perspective is important if we don't have a map that we're looking at. Because if I'm not looking at this and I'm just telling you directions, I'm seeing it from my point of view, so you either need to step next to me so you're seeing it from my point of view, or you got to flip it in your head. For the sake of doing this, we're going to assume we're all standing together. We're all standing at the front door looking down the hallway together. So if I was asking somebody for directions to my class, let's say math and ASL, the sign for math, because we have learned that sign, hence math. Okay. If I was asking directions for my math class, it's my first day, I don't know where I'm going. My math class, where? Where is it? Oh, I could tell you. That's an easy one. The front door, go in. It's right there. Just to the left, my E. It's really close. Right there. If I was asking for directions to my ASL class. Oh, ASL. Okay, where is that? Further down to the left. My M, mouth morpheme. I could be more specific. We learned ordinal numbers for floors. I could use an ordinal number for the door as well. Second door, or second classroom. For second. Second door, or second classroom, indicating looking to the left. If I wanted to get to the elevator, all the way down at the end, how am I going to sign that? My front door, to come in, always make sure you enter. Straight ahead. My ah, straight down the hallway. No more direction needed. The bathrooms. How am I going to indicate getting to the bathroom? We're going to come in the front door. Second on the right. That's just out of habit I did right. You could do right or left, or that way or that way, that way, that way, indicating. So the front door to come in. Halfway down the hall, to the left, to the right, sorry, to the right, other direction to the right. Or second door. I have some options here, just remembering my mouth morpheme. Ordinal numbers work, pointing works. Make make sure you get the correct distance in the right direction. Going to the cafeteria. There's another one. Right there. Did you notice I switched hands? I could do that way, but something about that doesn't feel natural to me. Right there. You should be using your index finger, and I don't bend that way. So I switched to my non-dominant hand to indicate that it was on my right side. Right there. Okay, we're going to look through a couple more examples where I'm going to draw out a couple different layouts like this. I'm going to see if you can get me there.